Adidas marks the Premier League return of Sunderland's northeast rivals with the Newcastle United x Adidas Samba, timed perfectly for the 2025-26 season kickoff. Drawing from Adidas Football's expanding club-themed Samba series, seen with Arsenal and Manchester United, the shoe blends heritage and matchday energy. Its white leather upper is paired with black three stripes and a gum sole for that retro indoor appeal. A teal heel tab nods to Newcastle's 1990s away kits, while the gold foil Samba text and club crest on the tongue add signature touches. The collaboration offers style-conscious Geordies and football collectors an iconic piece that celebrates both team pride and classic sneaker culture. Available now on Adidas.com and select shops, it drops just as the Northeast Derby reignites, making it the perfect sneaker to lace up for the clash and to wear as a timeless off-pitch statement.